Hi friends, today we'll discuss about EDI in MuleSoft. And first of all, we'll go through the EDI and where we exactly use this EDI and those details. And EDI supports many formats. We'll discuss those things. EDI is nothing but electronic data interchange. It's a data format based on ASC X12 standards, and it is used to exchange data between two or more trading partners. Here trading partners is nothing but many it may represent organization or group of organizations, or between same organization, between two companies or same companies. Okay, here we have this EDI formats. These are the different formatted files we have: X12 and EDI fact, Trada comes and XL7. This 849.esl is nothing but this is one file, .esl file, for EDI schema language to define the EDI message structure and the segments and the composites based on this schema language. EDI schema language will define this file, and that based on this schema language the file would be defined. This ESL file is in YAML format called ESL file. Okay, then we have the main parts. See, why we are using is this EDI contains data and how we read the EDI file and this EDI data transactions. The main parts of XL12 EDI file are: we have several segments in this file. Each segment contains multiple elements and delimiters and segment terminators. See, let me show you the example, then we see. I am selecting all the file, nothing but several segments. First one is several segments. These are the segments we have, and if I take one segment, see, this is the segment I am taking from the multiple segments. See, this is the segment identifier, BEG. Each segment, second one is segment. Each segment contains combination of alphabets, numbers and special characters, special symbols. Okay, and then third one is element. See, these are all elements. Each segment contains elements. SA, this one, this complete one, this is one element, this is one element. Okay, again we have delimiter. Delimiter we have. See, each element is separated by delimiter. Here we have star, and again last one is this one, this special symbol, segment terminator. Each segment is ended with this symbol, and after this symbol another segment will be begin. See, this is the first line of the segment, After this terminator, segment terminator, a new segment will be begun. Like this way the segments will be, several segments will be defined. Okay, then we have all the parts we have covered, and here the important thing is these two lines ISA and GS are the beginning segments, and GE and IEA are the ending segments we have in X12 EDI file. See, the X12 EDI file begin with ISA and GS, ending with GE and IEA. See, ISA, these two segment contains the information like sender and receiver details and transaction type. What is the transaction type? Is it a sales order or acknowledgement or purchase details? Those details would be available in the beginning of these two segments. These are the ending segments, and the complete file is look like this. This is the complete envelope of the X12 EDI file. Okay, thank you guys.